Yeah, and another thing, you know, this month's 28th of May, we have JP reception. Like, that's the final one, the big one. I'm saying it final because my wife, she's tired already. You know, she always say, like, it's easy for you just wearing a suit, and me, you know, I have to go through a lot, like my dresses sometimes. So I understand her, and she tried, by the way, because what I feel for her, even those 5 weddings is not even enough. Me, my plan was doing a wedding in every. I wanted even to go to Rwanda, the first. I mean, that was the place that we made for the first time. I wanted, but she got